I think it is because I get to know more infos about the materials. So I'll be more aware of what's trending in the market at the moment.
Yes, I feel like the field trips are very helpful. They're very eye-opening and insightful. The field trips are very useful for my course since I'll be using this information in the future. We got to learn more about the materials, their specifications, how and where I can use them. I feel like I will be using this information in the future.
Yes, of course. Being a student studying interior design, it's important to go and explore material shops and learn more about different materials. And also, it's good to know what is the trending and future.
Yes, I think it was a very helpful experience. The speakers from Jeffries were very friendly and informative. They explained about their materials and told us how they were made, how sustainable they are, where and how we can use them. And while they were explaining, they handed out samples. So it was a very hands-on experience. I feel like this was very helpful in getting to understand the material more.
It is grateful that Jeffries having a talk in our school, and it is interesting, and I feel really enjoyed in this talk, and thankful for Jeffries.
During the last Jeffries sales team presentation, I feel very grateful. It's because that let me know about the wall covering. It's made by the heavy material and often have texture to the surface. And I'm very happy they come to our college to let us know about the knowledge about the wall covering and the wallpaper. Yes, I really thank you.
It's great that we get to have this opportunity to attend this event held in Raffles College. I think Jeffries provide a wide range of choices of different wall coverings made out of different materials, whether it's artificial or natural. I learned that paints and wallpapers aren't the only options to beautify the interior space.
Grateful to have Jeffries came to Raffles Kuala and have talked with us. It is very interesting that while we're having the presentation, we can touch and feel the material and feel like I'm in the showroom. And it is very important that because people are going more to green material, the recycled material. And one thing that I love about Jeffries is they are using sustainable material for it.